Today, we're diving into the world of laptop performance upgrades with the ATEC DDR2 800MHz RAM upgrade kit. If you're finding your laptop sluggish with multiple applications open, or if you're into resource-intensive tasks like video editing or gaming, this upgrade might just be what you need. Let's talk specs first. This kit comes with two 4GB modules, totaling 8GB of DDR2 800MHz RAM. It's specifically designed for laptops, notebooks, and all-in-one computers, providing a significant boost in performance. Installation is a breeze with its 200-pin SODIMM form factor, and its non-ECC unbuffered, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of systems. But what does all this mean for your laptop's performance? Well, RAM acts as a temporary storage space for data that your computer needs to access quickly. With more RAM, your system can handle multiple tasks simultaneously without slowing down. Whether you're multitasking with various applications or diving into demanding tasks like photo editing or gaming, this upgrade enhances your system's responsiveness and overall speed. ATEC doesn't compromise on quality. Each module undergoes rigorous testing to ensure dependable performance, backed by a lifetime warranty and excellent US-based tech support. Plus, with ATEC being a leading brand in computer memory, you can trust their products to deliver. In conclusion, if you're looking to breathe new life into your laptop, the ATEC DDR2 800MHz RAM upgrade kit is an excellent choice. It's a simple yet effective way to boost your system's performance, allowing you to tackle tasks with ease and enjoy a smoother computing experience. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.